Ha? There's no elimination naman pala eh. Ah, wala? So paano? Ah, wala.
Sir Louis?
So syempre hindi ko alam yung mechanics.
Hindi, katulad nung season 1 and 2, dun sa adults, wala siyang elimination. Nag-iipon lang sila ng points until dun sa last weekend, yung top 4 na pinakamataas na score will go to the finals. But yung mga nasa ilalim will also get to perform sa finals.
Ayan, at syempre,
Actually, I knew that. But I'd rather that they talk about it because that's their job.
Galing mo talaga.
Sobra.
at kasama sa Your Kids, Your Face, Your Face Kids.
Your kids sounds like your face. Diba?
Kasama sa Your Face Kids, sila
Your kid
Alonso
sounds like your
Mula,
face.
The Voice Kids Season 1 and Season 2 Grand Champions, sina Laika Gayranod and Ella Nifa. The Voice Kids artist Justin Alva, Yay Channel host Sam Shof. Siyempre kasama rin ang Langit Lupas, Sia Vigor, FPJs, ang Provincianas Aura, at ang Dance Kids Champion na si AC Bonifacio of Lucky Aces. Ito, ang susunod na magtatanong ay magaling din mag-impersonate.
Sige nga, sino
si Bongga.
ini-impersonate mo?